And there's also, okay, I forgot, there's another one. There's a passage down on the right-hand side as you're going in. On the right-hand side, down on the floor level, there's a crawl passage, and it's a really long crawl. You can't turn around in it until you get to the very end, and then it opens up a little bit enough where you to turn around and come back. Okay, it's just an out and a back, but it's really kind of cool down in there. There's stuff down in there that you can. Well, there was the last time I was down in there. There's all kinds of stuff that you can explore and see. But again, just have some fun. Stay with your buddies and just don't do anything really stupid. Just have fun. Okay.
Okay.
I don't think you guys are going to do anything really stupid.
Huh?
What's the largest group you've ever used to like take a nap here?
30.
Wow.
That was hard. That was a lot of work.
Cause you, yeah.
Actually, I did it 4 times. It was a summer camp. I had to divide them into 4 different groups of
By the way,
30.
I have Mrs. Jimbo 40.
30.
Here.
30.
30.
Do you guys want to
That's
We didn't see too much, you know, because it's so big. Like, it's how slow we're moving now. You imagine that 30 people.
Yeah.
It took
And you get one
forever.
kid like 200 feet back who's
Yeah.
losing his cool.
Yeah, and that's usually what happened is I usually wind up in the back.
By yourself or did you have another?
Well, they had their counselors,
Okay.
and I took the counselors through ahead of time so that they knew what was going on and they could handle it.
Oh, I think I see it. Wait, where?
But nothing beats having the internal map of the place like you do.
Yeah,
No matter how
yeah.
much you tell somebody, it's still just different to have like an internal,
I forgot to do
internal
that.
map.
I have a map. It's in the car. I'll give you a map of it, but you'll be able to figure out where you've been.
Did he fall down? No. How in the world do they map, like 3-dimensionally?
Yeah, it's all. It's like a map if you look down on it,
Okay.
and it's drawn out, and there's little circles with numbers in it as it goes along, which gives you the ceiling height.
Okay.
And then they'll draw in like where there's big rocks and big formations, anything that's you know, substantial.
Landmarks.
Yeah, and they basically just use a compass and an inclination. Anyway, it goes up
So
and
you're
down.
doing internal navigating.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Okay, guys, let's see how many holes I can fit through. I could probably fit through up there. Yeah, I could probably fit through up here. Same thing with up
I tried to help with mapping once. They gave me the end of the tape measure.
You guys going
They
up?
said, go hold it against the wall. And there was a hole. I had to climb up into this passageway, the hole and hold it against it. They took so long, I fell asleep.
Oh.
I was in there. It was terrible.
Yeah. Best nap I ever took.
Yeah,
While they're doing that, can I take a look back here?
absolutely. I'm going to go that way. That's the direction I'm going to go in. If you don't want to do that, this is the way.
Oh, so this goes to where they're going.
Yes.
Gotcha. I'll come back out to where they're going.
Okay, I just want to keep an eye on them here.
You want to go in front of me?
Now I can see pretty well from here.
If I'm on my side, I'm probably gonna, guys, I'm gonna.
Olivia, stop talking about different holes you can slide through.
I can slide through many holes. I can definitely go through there.
Olivia, do you think you would fit in a little Troy's car? Oh, Megan, are you okay?
Right?
Trey, that's worth a
Oh,
look.
it slipped. Is
Got
it?
a little back
So
up.
that's the way he's gonna go?
How is he supposed to fit through that?
Just
Where he's
kinda
trying to get
powers.
through right now.
A lot of wide open spaces.
That's like there is
Yeah.
feet first or head first.
The question, Alan, is
Yeah.
feet first or head first?
Feet first.
What? Head
Go feet first.
first?
I'm not going to make you go head first.
Now they're thinking that's an option.
So where's the hole? Sorry. It's down here. Grace is trying to get through it right now. Oh, are you okay? Well, she made a breakthrough.
She's through the hole.
Have you had any medical emergencies down here?
No.
With that case?
No. It's been really good.
You want me to take a picture of you coming out of there with your camera? I don't have my phone.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's interesting. Your helmet, you gotta turn your head sideways, kid, for your helmet to fit.
There you go.
You gotta rotate
Alright,
it.
you're through, Grace. You got it. Yay!
The first person in and lighting up a room is
Yeah.
scary.
Guys, you think
She has no fear.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll turn your light off.
Oh,
Olivia Holt.
Flash.
It's, yeah, Olivia Holt. That's your name. Olivia Fightholes.
What?
Olivia Fightholes.
Gotcha. It's good.
Here, try to Abby went
You guys are doing good. Look at that.
a piece of cake. A piece of cake.
I love cake.
Alright, Olivia, ball. This is dip off. Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. Stop just serving the coffee.
There you go. They are doing so good.
Got it.
I heard that.
That was easy. I know, I still like right through those. Stuck.
Yeah, it's good. You know what? Let's do one more. It wasn't quite centered. Kind of took it off.
Oh, that is snow. Could have switched my feet.
Oh my. I can't find a pudding. I'm just gonna go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, go for it. I'll give you some space.
It's doing like the 3-second process.
Poop nuggets?
That's a cool picture. It's really good.
Oh, it is, girl. Look at that. Oh, yeah. What? I can't even see it.
What?
Head lower. There you go.
Yeah, it's a puzzle. You have to figure out what fits where.
Well.
I don't know if I'm gonna fit through here. You said it's wider down lower?
Yeah. You got both legs through?
Yep.
Okay,
got it, Laura?
yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know about the chest.
Lori, look up.
There she goes. She's got it.
Swallowed up by the earth.
Piece of cake.
Oh my goodness.
Piece of cake. Look at that.
That's a hole.
It is a hole.
My leg just kept going. I didn't know where my foot was going.
Okay, Nate, look up. Okay. You can't really tell it's you. I wish I'd gotten the girls, like, coming through. Well, if he made it through, I'll make it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wait till you go through and then I'll swing around the other side.
Is my light off? My light is definitely faded.
Okay. I can trade that out if you wish, or turn on your backup light. Give yourself a little extra light. Wow. Real good. Really good. Okay. I'm going to go around the other side so you can see my light. Okay, hold up where you are. Where are you? Oh, I see your light. You should be able to go down
I can't fit through this.
through another hole that goes down.
Okay, one that's farther down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Back up a bit. Now, if you go all the way back down to the floor and you keep going to the back of the room,
Hey guys, somebody spot right. Underneath the rock. Somebody spot right. Somebody spot right.
So you can go through here if you want.
Alright, go ahead, same thing.
It's really lit up over there.
Both feet are on that wall. Got the back foot down. There you go.
Go straight up here and then over to the right.
Wait, is it
Ceiling.
up there?
And a little like
Guys, I think it's this way. Yes, exactly. That's what I think.
No, go this way, guys.
Can I get this one?
Right through here and over to the right, and you can see that he's all
Oh,
over.
let's do that one. Let's do that one. Okay, I don't think that's typical. Okay, Abby, what's gonna happen is you're gonna get up there. I'm gonna pass you Mrs. Jim Bob. Alright, hold on. I gotta find a way up here.
all right, I see ya.
Are we going the right way this way?
It's all the right way.
There was a wrong way that we went up.
Well, it's never really that wrong. Yeah, that one's too tight, but if you go back and down, there we go. I see a light coming up here.
Oh, is that how we're supposed to go?
You can, but it's really tight coming this way. You have to kind of to your right. There's another hole, and if that's too tight, you can always go back to the floor and go all the way to the back of the room.
Yeah. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Megan, this is definitely the crawl. Okay.
It's a tight one.
Oh. I pushed.
There you go. Very good. Let's get the rest of your friends up here. Okay, there's a couple of ways out of here. All right. Depends on what you want to do. That way's pretty much the easy way. And behind me is the fun way.
We'll probably be going that way. You got it, Olivia?
You guys found everything. This is good. This is really good.
Who was Jim Bob? I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna see if there's a way that I can take it from someone because they can't. Who has Mrs. Jim Bob? Which way is the easy way up? That's the
Behind
easy
me.
way. Ooh.
Behind me is the fun way. That's the easy way.
That was tough. Grace, you okay?
You're sweating.
Yeah,
You're like.
just a little bit. It's hot in this suit.
It is. Do you have a sweatshirt on underneath? Yeah. That'll do that.
Kinda glad I didn't get it actually. Sorry guys. I thought it was gonna be like we were like jumping through muddy puddles.
I thought it was going to be muddier than it is.
It's actually not bad.
Now,
No, this is
I hope it sort of stays like this.
Okay,
And we don't
so-
get too detoured.
Abby, do you think I could fit through that hole?
Which hole?
That one.
No.
I've been seeing which holes I could possibly fit through.
I don't know. If you can
Flatten your body a little bit when you get up here too,
fit
okay? That'll make it
through
easier.
there.
Who has Mrs. Jim Bob? I should have asked them to pass it up to me so that I could give it to you.
I could have taken it through there with me.
I could have taken it too. Honestly, I could have taken them the entire time. Yeah, that's a big boulder.
Yeah. These were all on the ceiling at one point. And they came down thousands upon thousands of years ago.
Are you okay, Grace? Yep.
Was that a good grunt or a bad grunt?
It's an I'm working on it. Gwen, does Megan have the ball?
Mr. Whitner does.
Abby, was
Okay,
it
she's
the
fine.
crystal cave that was like you could just like walk through it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's the. And
I was
wasn't
there
it
when I
like,
was really little though. I can't
Oh,
remember
holy cow.
that much.
It's a really pretty cave. Crystal cave.
I think I've been there.
That's a lot closer to where we live.
I think we went from the Crayola factory, and then we went there.
Wow.
Hey, Abby, do you think I could fit through that? The one that I'm pointing to with my light?
Don't think so.
I don't know, maybe.
You want to try?
Yeah. I could be like an
What's that? Grace's foot in the way.
the way that
yeah.
I wonder
Also
what
touched
way
my
Gwen
hand.
went.
Gwen,
Yeah.
Grace can't do this, but it's actually easier if you go back a little bit and then come around.
Somebody was poking their head out over here, or the light.
Oh,
anyway.
that was probably Megan.
That was probably Megan.
And then back there, you see that hole there?
Is that a way